What's up everybody, Tommy here. No Dom because she forgot to film the intro with me, but today's video is gonna be awesome. We're traveling to Wildwood, New Jersey for the week as a little family vacation with Dom's family. And basically this video, I'm sorry if it's kind of all over the place. We did a bunch of different things and we didn't really have any structure and we didn't know if we were gonna film, but we figured we'd take you guys on our adventure on this family trip down to Wildwood. But if you guys do enjoy this video at any time, please hit the subscribe button. If you're new around here, hit the like button as well, and I will see you guys in a bit. All right, Dom, what are we doing?
We're making pancakes for like 15 people. Making pancakes,
Really?
making pancakes.
Really? That's a fancy chocolate chip.
I know, you got the Ghirardelli ones. Making pancakes, making pancakes, put it in a pan. Oh, griddle, really.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta put the chocolate chips in.
I like the pot, like that it's in a pot.
We could have had a bowl. I gotta wait it out.
Here's our room. Smells like pancakes. All right, so when you first walk in, this is what you see. There's stuff here. A room here to the left. Boom, boom, boom. We are staying with a bunch of Dom's family members. I think there's like 15 of us. But then here's the room next door. It's locked. You walk in, and there's a kitchen to the right where Dom is. Hey, Dom.
Hey.
It's a nice kitchen though, but the appliances are a little outdated and older. But it works for when you're down the shore.
Yeah.
So Dom's making pancakes.
I'm working on the chocolate chip now.
And then, so there's a microwave there. There's a fridge here.
Dishwasher,
I've got all the appliances,
toaster.
dishwasher. There's a stove here, an oven. Everything you could need in a kitchen here. And then there's a little dining room here. Sorry, there's stuff everywhere. There's like 15.
There's 15 of us, so.
There's 15 of us here. And, you know, everybody made themselves comfortable. So we got a bunch of snacks over here. There's like a little sitting area over there behind the dining room table. And then as you come over here, boom, look at that view. We got ourselves a little balcony. Let's go out on the balcony. Look how beautiful. So as you can see here, there's other condos. Then come over here, there's the ocean. Zoom in a bit there. There's the boardwalk, there's the ocean, the beach. We got a nice view right from our balcony. Alright, so that is the dining room slash kitchen area. Now let's work our way over to the living room. Got a nice flat screen TV right here. And then we got two couches and a recliner. So that's nice. And then we got a bathroom right here. So bathroom number one with a shower. We walk down this hallway. We got our bedroom. This is where me and Dom slept right here. So nice little shore paintings. So I was using this chair here for my YouTube while I slept last night, but I couldn't get connected really to the Wi-Fi because the Wi-Fi here is not good at all. I couldn't even get connected. So here's the view from our room. And we also have a balcony as well. So we can go out here. So we got some chairs out here where you can sit and relax, and you can just listen to the ocean right there. Such a beautiful view, and it's an amazing day. The breeze is going. What a beautiful day. People going to the beach. Love it, love it, love it. Even though the Wi-Fi wasn't that great, we do have a smart TV with all of the apps, Disney Plus, YouTube, Netflix, everything you can want right there. So that is really handy. There's me. Hi everyone. So then we come down here to our bathroom, and you know, it's a nice sized bathroom. You know, it gets the job done. And here is another bedroom, and then this bedroom also leads out to the balcony that we were just on. Right here, they kind of connect, so you can say hey. So I hope you guys did enjoy our little tour of Montego Bay penthouse suite, room 420. If anybody does want to stay here and they're around the area down the shore, I'll leave the link down below. You know, it's pretty good. Like I said, the Wi-Fi isn't great. The amenities are a little outdated, but this room is huge. All right, so our hotel has an indoor water park. So as you guys can see here, due to COVID, none of this is open, but as you can see, the pool is open. There's people swimming in the pool down below. I think that's a little jacuzzi, hot tub right there. There's a play set here, and then over here, there is a slide. So there's a slide actually over here that goes outside the wall. And so it's a big tube slide that goes outside the wall here, go all the way down, and it wraps back around inside, and then you come out into the pool down below. Super cool. Let's go check in how Dom's doing. How you doing over here?
I finished the regular
pancakes.
Working on the chocolate chip. Almost done.
Almost
I made
done.
about 40.
Now, if you're wondering how it's so nice and quiet in here,
They all went for a bike ride.
everyone went for a bike ride. You guys will see everyone later.
Oh yeah.
There's about 15. So.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Going for a bike ride in a day or two. We got tubing. We got a bunch of stuff planned for you guys.
Oh, yeah.
So we'll probably make like 1 or 2 videos. What do you think? All right, Dom. Where are we going?
We're gonna get some ice cream and we're ripping our favorite merch.
Boardwalk time. Ice cream time.
Ice cream.
Say what's up. Paige, say what's up.
No.
You're gonna be in our YouTube video.
Hey guys, so my drip's better than Tommy's, so like go check out my Instagram.
No, it's not.
That's how I feel.
There's Dom's mom all the way up there. Alright, so we just got ice cream at this place called Hassles. It's right on the boardwalk, 21st Street. It's called Hassles. If you're here, you know. I got chocolate banana. What'd you get?
And I got cookies and cream with chocolate syrup on top.
And you can also golf here, which is pretty cool, which is what our family's doing over here.
Yeah, we're gonna go make fun of them.
And we're gonna go make fun of them and eat our ice cream.
Woo! Cheers.
Cheers. So apparently there was a fire 3 doors down from us. That was kind of sketchy. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can hear me, but there is currently a hurricane with tornado warnings, but I think it's a tropical storm now going on. And I know I'm sure it's really windy in my phone, but as you can see, it's telephone. It's kind of sketchy. Everyone's out here right now. Not too much rain going on, but the waves are going absolutely insane. There's people out there, they are nuts. As you can see, look. It is right now. Oh my God. Look at that. You see how rough the waters are? The wind? Oh my God, it's blowing me over. Alright everybody, we're here in Gateway 26 Arcade. I don't know if you can hear me because of my mask, but we're here playing Monster Jackpot. Come on. Oh, come on. 125, 125. Get in there. 10. 10. You got him?
Got 10, man.
You got the 10, man. Look at our chips here. We have so many chips and tokens.
Dude,
Good job,
it's like
Dom.
stacked.
Oh my God. That's crazy.
And they just keep coming.
This Wizard of Oz game is so good. You have to like try to collect all the characters, but Toto is like super rare. No, we can't find Toto.
We literally can't find Toto at all.
Oh my God. Redeeming our ticket.
Alright, we're gonna do that. Welcome back to College Drawing. Who better to
Look at all them
first
tickets.
ever than College Favorite?
Look at all the prizes. So if you come over here, you can see they got all the prizes up here.
First number
They got prizes all the way down there. They got prizes like, you could even get a recliner. A recliner. Look at some of the prizes that you can win. They got headphones, speakers, razors, some hair products, stuff for your house or your room. My personal favorite section is over here with all the signed sports memorabilia. They got signed gloves, signed bats, signed pictures. Look at this. That is so cool. They have so many prizes. I think they even had a signed LeBron James ball in here at one point. Here's our card. Dom, how many tickets do we have?
We have 5,240.
5,240? And we spent about 90 bucks.
Oh, plus next 40, so that was like 130.
Oh boy. What did we decide on?
All right, so we're getting a water gun blaster and a grill, a portable grill.
Oh my god. All right, Dom's getting a grill.
Yeah, can we redeem it?
Dom, we're getting a grill.
We're getting a grill. We just got a super blaster water gun and a grill.
I'm just looking out.
Dom getting the grill.
That's right. It's cold.
Oh, finally.
Don't touch your face.
I won't do it.
Don't touch your face.
Don't touch your face.
Dom. Nice grill.
You get a bag?
So, we're going to play some mini golf.
Oh, I got it.
This ice cream place is huge. So we're gonna go play somewhere else. We are now going 3D mini golfing, right, Dom? We're going 3D mini golfing in here. So let's go. Oh, that's cool. That's scary. All right, Dom, who won?
You did.
I won. Woo!
I got second.
I won. Justin lost.
You're getting ice cream.
Now he's got to get an ice cream flavor of our pick because he came in last place. We're getting ice cream now for, I think, the fourth time.
The fourth time
in 2 days.
This week. Yeah.
What are you getting?
Oh, I told you.
I know, we got to tell the people.
Vanilla ice cream with sprinkles.
Ah.
All right, Talia, what are you getting?
There's the famous tram car of Wildwood, New Jersey. Alright, so I hope you did enjoy today's video. Again, Dom's not with me because we forgot the intros and outros. But we do hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Again, I'm sorry that it was all over the place. There was really no structure. We just kind of wanted to take you guys on a trip, you know, on our vacation for the week. So we just kind of had the days like jumbled up. But next week's video will definitely be a little more structured as we go tubing. We go wakeboarding and we go on a private boat out in the water. It was awesome. And I can't wait to show you guys that. So I hope you guys have a fantastic week. I will see you next week. And I hope you all stay safe. Peace out.